Okay, so my project was a sort of like a story aid for like writing down characters and stuff for when writing stories. And I have, well, let me run it first. So this is what comes up. And these are the ones from when I was testing it. The search function, you can put in an ID, which are why those little numbers are there to remind you. If you put in something wrong, it's not going to do anything. So there's some input validation there. And if you go to new profile, then you can create a new one. Like, let's say, Tommy, just another guy. Then it'll add it right down there. And that'll also be able to be searched. And then you can, it will not save on its own, but you can hit that little save button right over there, and it'll save it. So that when you run it again, oh look, there it is. Then you can also edit the profile. And if you leave that blank, then it'll keep what you have already, so that if you're just changing one thing, you don't have to retype everything. So let's say just a dude, and it'll change. And you can save that, and it'll come up again. And in this I was originally gonna do multiple kinds of things that you could put into this, but it turned out being a lot more than I thought it would be, so I still have the framework set up for it. But using that as like the main entity, the parent class, with all the protected stuff that the child classes can use. It's comparable for that and serializable, so that when it's saving and loading, it uses the file stuff class to save to that little storage bin, so that it's more efficient. The character class has the extra stuff, and in the main class itself, along with all the stuff for the GUI, it uses maps for the search functions, and the actual characters themselves are stored in the list there, which is actually created in that class. And I think that is it.